A little city called Zadar is situated on the northern Dalmatian coast and is encircled by the Adriatic Sea. With a population of around 76,000 and a land area of just 25 square kilometers, it is Croatia's fifth largest city. Zadar, which has been continually inhabited since the late Stone Age, is the oldest city in Croatia. As you meander through and discover the city's various nooks and corners, you can readily enjoy how the architecture reflects the city's rich past. Zadar is a prime example of a modernized city. While the old artifacts from bygone centuries are still present, the inclusion of contemporary items has brought it right up to date. If you don't know what I'm talking about, consider this. Where else can you sit atop 2000-year-old Roman ruins and listen to a guitarist play a Vance Joy song? What are your thoughts on viewing a magic performance from a Venetian church steps? What about listening to the sea serenade while the Roman Forum is in the background? It is very simple to navigate the old town of Zadar because of its confined stone streets, although be aware the stones do get a little slippery if they get wet or you have a slick-soled shoes. The act of walking through the city is enjoyable. It's really simple to become completely disoriented and lost, but that's all the part of the fun of exploring this historic and stunning city. It was named the continent's best destination in 2016. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Zadar Archaeological Museum, located in the heart of the city, is incredibly fascinating and tells the history of Dalmatia in a very engaging manner through a superb and in-depth exhibition of historical and archaeological artifacts. Normally, I wouldn't recommend visiting a museum while traveling to a warm location, but I discovered that museums are definitely worth thinking about on those unforeseen cold and rainy days, and not to get tired of the hot days as well. The Zadar Gallery of Fine Art was founded in 1945 and has been a member of the Public Museum of Zadar since 1962. The gallery presently only holds temporary exhibition at the exhibition pavilion of the city loggia and in the Duke's Palace because its permanent location in the Providur's Palace is undergoing a difficult refurbishment. Its 5 collections include a sizable amount of Croatian art from the 20th century that was acquired through donations and purchases, but they also house pieces from the 17th and 19th century. Most pleasantly, Zadar appears to have managed to maintain a good balance between everyday life and tourism. Yes, there are tourists everywhere, but so are locals going about their daily business. In contrast to some other beach towns, which can be a little too polished and totally tourist-focused, Zadar does not seem to be overpriced, apart from a few locations immediately in front of ancient sites, and it appears to provide the visitor a more authentic experience.